The repair shop's resident horologist Steve Fletcher shared how one of his trusty tools acts as a useful piece of sound kit on the BBC show. He has explained how he created a fix of his own to make the filming of the show go a little smoother. Steve is rarely seen on camera without a pen in his trusty apron and has now revealed the pen is in fact a microphone. In a behind-the-scenes clip from the BBC show, Steve commented, "We're now in the middle of filming the new series of The Repair Shop. And one of the things that you might not know when you see it on the camera is that this little pen here is not a pen at all." He pointed towards his apron pocket where a pen sat as he continued, "It's a microphone that I made up because the sound people had so many problems with putting microphones here, there and everywhere. And it was rustling all the time, so I devised this pen microphone that just fits the bill and works a treat." Steve is known for his clever restorations, so it comes as no surprise he managed to come up with a way to fix the technical issue. Don't miss The Repair Shop's Steve Fletcher emotional as he leaves guest in tears video, inside the life of The Repair Shop's Steve Fletcher, including family heartbreak. Inside The Repair Shop star Steve Fletcher's romance with partner Mel. Latest, Steve has been on the show as one of the fan-favorite experts since it first aired back in 2017 and has become a staple part of the J-Blade series. Restorations seem to be in the family as Steve works on the show alongside his sister, Susie Fletcher. The next episode will mark the contribution of the Windrush generation and their descendants. In the upcoming episode, Steve repairs a precious clock that represents building a life in a new land. The clock belonged to siblings Dorcas and Stephen's parents, Herman and Keturah, and was one of the first items they saved up to buy after arriving in the UK from Antigua. The Repair Shop continues Wednesday, June 21 at 8 p.m. on BBC One.